Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It's Abul Hussain from Hunafa. I'm going to quickly share a video with you on how you can select a package on Nusuk. We've shared you with the 8 packages from Araji. Now those are the only 8 packages in UK from Araji. Now I know a lot of you have been messaging me saying it's very confusing on selecting the package and everything. So that's why I'm going to make this video for you, and then you can just follow the steps, inshallah. So once you're happy with the package from the 8 packages, you log into your Nusuk account and then you're on the dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, you click onto packages. Now where it says filter packages, scroll down, service provider, select, and then click onto company Araji. Now obviously you can see there's so many packages with Araji. Now what you need to understand is Araji is a service provider for UK, the whole of Europe, America, as well as Australia. So you have to make sure that you select the right package. Now what's really important are the images. For the UK packages, you can see the UK flag on it. So on the search bar here, just type in the package you're interested in. So I'll just select luxury shifting line 6 and then enter. Now those are the 2 packages you can see on our brochure. Both of them are 18 days. So I'll just select this package here, luxury shifting line 6. Now bear in mind the price starting from, excluding flights, is 32,666.62 riyals. That works out to be around £6,950, depending on the rate. Now you click on to view details and then click on to see all images. Now, as mentioned, the image of the package is very important, so you must have the UK flag on it. So for luxury shifting line 6, this is what's included. Obviously for flights, I'll show you how you can add the flights onto your package. It's a 5-star package, breakfast and dinner is included, transportation is included, and you have a tour guide as well, and it's an 18-day package. Click on here. So this is the itinerary. So on the 9th of June you fly from UK, you check into Al Rifah, and then on the 14th you go to Mina. Hajj is for 5 days. Once you complete Hajj, so that's Mina, Arafah, Muzdalifah, come back to Mina, completing your Jamarat and everything, and then you come back to Al Rifah on the 21st. And then you check out on the 21st and check into Swiss Hotel Mecca. So once you checked into Swiss Hotel Mecca on the 21st of June, you check out on the 24th of June and head to Medina. And then from the 24th, obviously on the 24th you check into Valley Al Medina, and on the 27th you check out and fly back to London. So that's the itinerary. Here's more information about the package, the hotels, a quick video of the Mina camps, transportation. Now on package services you can see all of this is included except flight. As you can see the $sign, it means you have to pay for it. As well as the Qurbani, it's got the $sign, you have to pay for it, and you can purchase some gifts as well if you want. So with the Qurbani, don't worry about the Qurbani, we will organize that in Saudi. So nothing to worry about. And then here is the cancellation policy. So if you purchase a package on the 6th of March, you've got 72 hours for a full refund, and then it goes by percentages. So if you scroll down here, you got configure package. You click on it, and then you select your room. So for the room allocation, you've got double, triple, quad. I believe the single rooms are available. Yeah, so double, triple, quad. So whichever room you're interested in, you select. For the purpose of this video, I'll just quickly select on quad room. So one person. So if you have a family of 4, then you select 4. Yeah. If you're family of 2, like a couple, you can go for double. Or even if you wanna, if there's a couple and they don't mind sharing, they can go for a quad room. And they need to put the number of quantity. So if there's a family member of 2, then you put 2 in there. If there's a family member of 3, then you put the quantity, the amount of pilgrims traveling. Right, so I've selected quad room for all 3. That's so, and then you click next. So here's the Kurbani. We're not going to add this. And then if you want to add some, it's like an add-on service. You could purchase gifts, dates, wheelchair comes for free if you need a wheelchair. So scroll down, click next. Now here you select the flights. Now they've given you 2 preferred airline. One is Saudia and the other one is, I believe, it's Royal Jordanian. Yep. So Royal Jordanian. So those are the 2 flights. Here on here you can custom your flight, but bear in mind when it comes to customing your flight, you won't get the multiple city. So as you can see here, you fly from London Heathrow, land in Jeddah, and your return flight is from Medina, and then fly back to London. With the custom flight, it's only a return flight, so you could only get London to Jeddah and flying back from Jeddah, which means you'll be going all the way from Medina to Jeddah and then flying back. Right, so you can custom, so you get cheaper options on custom flights. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the Royal Jordanian flight because it's slightly cheaper. And if you click here, you can see the flight itinerary. So there's a 1 stopover. Okay, perfect. So the waiting time is going on there 4 hours and 25 minutes. And your return flight 3 hours and 15 minutes connecting flight. Yeah, anyways, so let's have a look at the Saudi flight. So London to Jeddah is a direct flight. Return flight, there's a stopover in Riyadh, 5 hours and 30 minutes, and then flying into London. So I'm just going to select Royal Jordanian and then click next. Now this is all the information about your package, shifting, name of the pilgrim, quad room, right? And then you get a bed in Mina Camp, transportation information, flights, everything that's included. So we've included everything on there. So here it shows your e-wallet. Well, my one is showing this, it's got 0 balance. I hope you've topped up your account. If you haven't, I'll show you what you need to do next. And now what we're going to do is just save the package. Here it gives you a notification. There's a possibility of flight prices might change by the time you purchase. So remember we said you can't purchase the package, you can only save on configuration, and on the 6th of March you can purchase the package. So here it's saying there's a possibility the price may go up, but hopefully it shouldn't, inshallah. So you just click OK. And now you're back onto the dashboard. So here on your dashboard, your package is ready. Now the total price is 39,889.10 riyals. Yeah. Now that works out to be on 4.7 rate, £8,487. That's the package price, £8,487. Now the reason why they've done this is with the purchase. now, so that you can top up your e-wallet. So now you know the amount of how much you need to top up. You go into top up your e-wallet, activate it, and then you can do you could pay by card, or you could do a bank transfer. So it says credit card, but it could also be a debit card, and then you just put the amount, 39. So it's in riyals, bear that in mind. 39,889.10. Alright, and then you just agree and then go next. Alright, and then you just put in your address, and then it's just a self-explanatory address and your card details and everything, and just click next, and then you've topped up your e-wallet. And once you've topped up your e-wallet, right, on your dashboard, it will show the amount you have. So your package is ready, your e-wallet's ready, and then on the 6th of March you go on here. Right, so you see this basket here with the blue dot, it's your basket. So you go on here and then configure package, and then on here it will allow you to purchase it, and that's it really. So that's how you can purchase the package on Nusuk. That's how simple it is, and then it will allow you to do your visas. So also you complete your visa through this website, and we'll show you how to do this, inshallah. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to contact us. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.